Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your ultimate destination for honest and in-depth reviews of the world's finest vehicles. Today, we're diving into something truly luxurious and extraordinary: the 2025 Mercedes Luxury RV Camper. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a five-star hotel on wheels. Let's start with the design. From the outside, the 2025 Mercedes RV Camper boasts a sleek, modern profile that commands attention. The aerodynamic body, premium LED lighting, and chrome accents all scream sophistication. Whether you're parked at a scenic getaway or cruising down the highway, this RV turns heads, step inside, and it's like walking into a luxury suite. The interiors are crafted with the finest materials: Italian leather seating, real wood paneling, and ambient LED lighting throughout. The spacious layout includes a king-size bed, a fully equipped kitchen with smart appliances, and a bathroom that rivals those in high-end hotels. Technology is another area where Mercedes shines. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard, touchscreen controls, voice-activated systems, and Level 2 autonomous driving capabilities. Passengers can enjoy a state-of-the-art entertainment system with surround sound and 5G connectivity for seamless streaming and remote work. On the performance side, the 2025 Mercedes RV is powered by a turbocharged V6 engine, offering both power and fuel efficiency. It glides smoothly on the road, thanks to advanced suspension systems and intelligent drive modes that adapt to various terrains. Whether you're climbing mountains or coasting through the countryside, the ride is exceptionally comfortable. Safety is top tier, as expected from Mercedes. You get adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, all designed to keep you and your family safe during your adventures. Now, let's talk price. Luxury like this doesn't come cheap. With a starting price well into the six figures, the 2025 Mercedes Luxury RV Camper is definitely a premium offering. But for those seeking the ultimate travel experience, it's worth every penny. Final thoughts: if you crave comfort, cutting-edge tech, and top-tier performance in one stunning package, the 2025 Mercedes Luxury RV Camper is a dream come true. It redefines what it means to travel in style. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews of the world's most exciting vehicles. See you in the next one.